Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to clear all recently used emojis on Android. So let's get right in the video. Head over to your settings of your Android phone and scroll down until you see an option apps. And here you can see three dots icon or three lines icon just right beside your app section. So click on it, and here you have to turn on the show system apps option. So once you turn it on, click on OK and search for your keyboard. Here you can see I have got my one, and go to Samsung keyboard, scroll down and click on storage. Here all you have to do is to clear your data of your keyboard. So click on clear data, and once your data is cleared totally, your emojis, recently used emojis, will be gone too. And yeah, that's it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.